Hello everyone. Today's topic is high energy compound. So, in this the probable university questions will be give examples for high energy compounds, that will be for 1 marks. So, you can give a one word description on what is high energy compounds and 2 or 3 examples, that is enough for 1 marks. And if it is asked as just high energy compounds for 2 or 3 marks, then you can give the definition, examples. You need at least 4 or 5 of them, and also you can explain upon 1 or 2 or 3 examples how it is functioning. For example, one example is ATP, so you can give a brief description on ATP. So, depending upon the marks, you have to include the points. Okay, if it is just 1 marks, that is the definition, and 2 or 3 examples will do. Okay, let us see what is the definition. That is, these compounds when are these compounds, that is the high energy compounds when hydrolyzed will give large quantities of energy, and that is energy is utilized by the body for various metabolic activities. Examples include the phosphate compounds, that is nucleotides. Example is ATP, GTP, UTP and UDP glucose. Next is creatine phosphate, arginine phosphate, 1,3-bis phosphoglycerate, then phosphoenol pyruvate, then inorganic pyrophosphate, carbamyl phosphate, aminoacyl AMP. These are the phosphate containing compounds. Then you have the sulfur containing compounds, that is CoA derivatives like acetyl CoA, succinyl CoA, fatty acyl CoA, HMG CoA. Next is SAM, S-adenosyl methionine, then adenosine phosphosulfate, active sulfate. So, these are the examples. So, at least 5 or 6 out of them should be by heart for you all. So, if it is asked for 2 or 3 marks, so you can give a brief description on 1 or 2 examples of high energy compounds, that is ATP. An important one is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So, ATP is the universal currency of energy within the living cells, and hydrolysis of ATP to ADP is releasing a large amount of energy, that is minus 30.5 kJ per mole or minus 7.3 kilocalorie per mole. The energy in the ATP is used to drive all androgenic, that is the biosynthetic reactions that is taking place in the body. The ATP is capturing the chemical energy released by the combustion of nutrients and transfer it to synthetic reactions which is requiring energy. So, ATP is getting the energy from the nutrients which is included in the diet, and this ATP is getting hydrolyzed by releasing energy, and this energy is utilized for various biosynthetic reactions in the body. For example, sodium potassium ATPase, this is utilizing up to 1/3 of all ATP forms at rest. Other energy requiring processes include like biosynthesis of macromolecules, muscle contraction, then cellular motion of kinesin, dynein, etc. And this ATP is continuously hydrolyzed and regenerated by our body. Next example is creatine phosphate. This creatine phosphate provides a high energy reservoir of ATP to regenerate ATP rapidly by Lohmann's reaction catalyzed by creatine kinase enzyme. ATP along with creatine forms phosphocreatine and ADP, and energy is released. The reaction is mitochondrial and of special significance in myocardium, and this myocardium requires high energy for its function. Myocardial muscles requires for its contraction higher energy is required by the myocardial muscles. Okay. So, if it is only for a higher marks, you need to give the explanation on ATP and creatine phosphate. If it is only 1 marks, example and definition will do. Okay. Thank you.